So this here is a portable Weber 18-inch grill, and I've had this for a couple years and I really like it. So I figured, why not upgrade to the bigger one? This is the classic 22-inch Weber grill. Very classic looking, been around forever. This barbecue is a grill and a smoker all in one. And while it's not the best smoker, it's inexpensive enough to get your foot in the door to see if you like it before investing in a dedicated smoker. These grills are very versatile. You can grill over direct heat, indirect heat, and also do some smoking, as the kettle is large enough to have the coals on one side and the food on the other side. Assembly was easy and took about 10 minutes. It's a very simple grill. You've got some wheels, it's got a tray for in case of any ash or charcoal that falls out of the inside of the grill. And then it's got the kettle itself. And then the lid, which has this little hook here that you use to hang off the side of the grill. It could use a better hook or mount for the cover, like the portable 18-inch one. The grill itself has one grate, no special features, anything. It's just a standard grill rack. And then the charcoal rack. The big difference between this 18-inch and these 18 or 22-inch kettle grills is the distance between the charcoal and the grilling rack. Can't get as much on this 18-inch portable one. The distance between the charcoal rack and then the grill is very close, so it's harder to get indirect heat. Not the case with this larger grill. You can get direct heat, indirect heat a lot easier. And then on the bottom we just have the air vent. So down here it's controlled by this little lever. This one doesn't come with the thermometer. If you get the more expensive one, it has a few more features, and it comes with a thermometer, and then you control the air vent at the top here. And that's pretty much it. You can buy all kinds of accessories for these grills too. Shiny. When I was buying this, it was funny, the guy said, "You're going old school." Even though I've had all kinds of barbecues and stuff, I figured this would be a really cool unit to have kicking around, to play with, and cook some food on. So this is what we're going to be grilling tonight. These are garlic, ginger, and Thai chili pepper marinated chicken drumsticks. Here I'm grilling over direct heat first, and then I'll switch over to indirect heat. Once you start grilling, it can be a bit of a pain to add more charcoal or wood chunks since there's no fold-up rack. One improvement that I'm definitely going to do is drill a hole and add a thermometer. It's not necessary, but I like to have one. So overall, this grill gets a big thumbs up from me, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching until the next video.